ready to ride the waves with us? Today we're diving into the world of jet skis, exploring the different types and uses for these exciting watercrafts. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking for adventure or someone who wants to enjoy the water in a new way, we've got you covered. So let's get started. What are jet skis? Jet skis, also known as personal watercraft, are small, agile and powerful water vehicles propelled by a jet pump. They are designed to be ridden by 1 to 3 people and offer a thrilling way to explore waterways, lakes and oceans with their maneuverability and speed. Jet skis are popular for both recreation and sport. Types of jet ski. Here we have a breakdown of the different types of jet skis based on their use and features. Feel free to skip to a specific section that interests you most. Water sports and activities, touring and exploration. Jet skis are the ultimate water adventure vehicle. Their speed and agility allow you to carve through the waves and explore new waterways with ease. Whether you want to visit a secluded beach or go on a sightseeing tour, a jet ski can take you there in style. Imagine the wind in your hair as you zip across the water, feeling the spray of the waves on your face. With a jet ski, you can experience the thrill of high-speed riding while still being able to navigate through narrow channels and shallow waters. Tow sports, tubing. If you're looking for some fun in the sun, jet skis can also be used for tubing. Attach a tube to the back of your jet ski and take turns pulling your friends or family for an exhilarating ride. This is a great way to enjoy the water on a hot summer day and create lasting memories with your loved ones. Wakeboarding, water skiing. For the more adventurous types, jet skis can be used to pull wakeboards or water skis. Just like with tubing, this is a fantastic way to spend time with friends and family. But it also allows you to show off your skills and tricks. Imagine gliding across the water on your wakeboard, feeling the rush of adrenaline as you carve up the waves. With a jet ski, you have the power to create the perfect wake for your desired activity. Flyboarding, hydroflight. Looking for an extreme adventure? Try flyboarding on a jet ski, also known as hydroflight. This activity takes things to a whole new level by allowing you to soar above the water. With a flyboard, you can perform tricks and maneuvers that defy gravity. Picture yourself flying above the waves, feeling the wind beneath your wings. It's like being a superhero or a mythical water creature, with a jet ski as your launchpad. You can experience the ultimate thrill ride. Other activities, besides the activities mentioned above, jet skis can also be used for other exciting pursuits such as swimming, snorkeling, scuba diving, fishing and surfing assistance. Some jet skis even come equipped with features like fish finders and GPS, making them the perfect companion for your next angling adventure. Whether you're casting a line from the comfort of your seat or dropping anchor and jumping in for a swim, a jet ski can enhance your enjoyment of the water. Types of jet skis by category. Now let us dive into the different types of jet skis based on categories to help you choose the best one for your needs. Performance category. For those seeking speed and power. The performance category has jet skis designed for high-speed thrills. These jet skis typically have more powerful engines and advanced hull designs, allowing them to reach top speeds quickly and handle rough waters with ease. If you love the feeling of the wind whipping through your hair as you carve through the waves, then the performance category is for you. Cruiser category. If you prioritize comfort and cruising capabilities, the cruiser category offers jet skis with features such as spacious seating, comfortable handlebars and plenty of storage. These jet skis are perfect for exploring calm waters and enjoying scenic rides with friends and family. Imagine cruising along a lazy river with your loved ones, soaking up the sun and creating unforgettable memories with a cruiser jet ski. You can do just that. Sport touring category. If you're looking for a balance between performance and exploration, the sport touring category is worth considering. These jet skis offer a combination of power and comfort, allowing you to enjoy both thrilling rides and leisurely cruises with a sport touring jet ski. You can have the best of both worlds. Stand-up jet skis. Stand-up jet skis offer a unique way to enjoy the water and are popular among riders who love to stand while riding. These jet skis typically have a smaller, lighter design, making them easy to handle and maneuver. If you've ever wanted to stand up on a jet ski and feel the freedom of riding on the water, now is your chance. Lit jet skis. For those who want to add some fun and excitement to their water adventures, lit jet skis are a great option. These jet skis come with features like Bluetooth connectivity, color-changing LED lights and sound systems, allowing you to turn up the tunes and light up the night. Picture yourself cruising along a moonlit lake with your friends. The rhythmic beat of your favorite songs filling the air as colorful lights dance around you. With a light jet ski, you can make unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. No matter which type of jet ski you choose, you're sure to have a blast on the water with so many options available. You can find the perfect jet ski to match your preferences and enjoy hours of fun in the sun. So what are you waiting for? Hop on a jet ski and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime.